Hello everyone, we are Team Axiom, and with Avi, Kazra, and I, Akshay Kundakumar, this is our SourceAmerica Design Challenge project. For our project, we worked with the ARC of Washington County, where Mrs. Stephanie Watson was kind enough to reply to our message.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Watson. I'm with the ARC of Washington County. I'm an employment specialist here.
Mrs. Watson helps those with a disability, like Tommy Condon, find a job.
My name's Tommy Condon. I work at the Caddy Shack.
This is our subject matter expert. He works at a golf course serving snacks and drinks in Pennsylvania, and I'll let him explain his challenge.
And problematic is just keep with liquor.
Tommy had informed us here that he would need someone to pour the liquor for him to distribute to customers. Once we were informed of the challenge, we tried not to copy this, that, or whatever that is. However, for our prototypes, we had two first initial designs, but both of these were too large for the small shelves of the Caddy Shack. Instead, we looked towards the plugs in the Caddy Shack to power some motors that would pump the liquids into the cup. Upon finding the outlets, we discussed new ideas and went to the drawing board, creating our first physical prototype. We had also made these components in Autodesk Fusion 360, which allows us to view components in a 3D space and possibly 3D print these components. This is our plan. We will have a case for buttons and other electronic components like an Arduino on the countertop. Then a water pump container will be put on the next shelf down with wires leading to it. Finally, pipes will lead from the drinks to the pumps, then to the customer's cup. Our prototype was a simple box that held all of the electrical components and had holes for buttons. No pumps were permanently attached in this design. Once we showed our prototype to Tommy and he gave the thumbs up, we went to work constructing on a final design. For this, we used styrofoam and wood. Styrofoam was used for the button case with the electronic components, and wood was used for the water pump case. In this design, to make the device more compact to use, we attached the water pump case directly to the button case. With our final design completed, we traveled one more time to Hagerstown to test it out. What you should notice in this clip is that the water from the bottom green bottle is being sucked into the white cup next to the device. Before, when Tommy had asked for assistance, it would take an average of 45 seconds for the order to be completed. With our design, we have shortened this time to an average of 13 seconds.
Thank you for watching our SourceAmerica Design Challenge video. In the future, what we plan to do is make more 3D printed parts to add to our assembly, and then fully implement that assembly in the Caddy Shack for Tommy.
We have had so much fun in this journey, and it would not have been possible without Mrs. Watson, Tommy's job coach, Mrs. Powers, Tommy's manager at the golf course, Mr. Lee, our mentor and coach, Mrs. Trost and Mrs. Kundakumar for being our drivers, and of course Tommy for believing in us throughout this entire project.